Give brother a kiss, Miley. No, I'm recording. I wanted to give him a kiss again. Give brother a kissy.
She's starving.
Kiss, kiss.
Give brother a kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Just looks ginormous sitting on him like that.
Thanks, Daniel. You ruined it.
She's starving.
No, she isn't.
Alright, starve a baby.
She just ate milk.
Yeah. The fat is right.
Hey, I'm not fat.
She was singing on McDonald's farm when you were upstairs. She was saying E-I-E-I-O.
Give me all of her broccoli.
Nope, I don't like you. Fine, you want a piece? You like peas?
I love to pee. Let's see how many times I can
Okay, I don't feel like eating.